Once again, welcome along to Cavan Online Radio. I'm here in the studio with Michael. Michael, how are you doing today?
Oh, grand.
That's good.
Good to see
the weather
you.
is getting better.
Oh, please God, yeah.
So they say, anyway. So.
Yeah.
And we're doing the men's sounds.
Oh, yeah, we're having
I've been
another bash.
complained, how come we don't have women's sounds?
Is that right?
Yeah. What does women sound like, though?
Oh, that all depends on what day you get them.
So what are we going to kick off with before I get myself in more trouble?
Oh, well, a couple of new sounds that I picked up through Spotify that I liked. A few old ones, a few standards, something for everybody, really. And some are weird and wonderful, some are just classics, and some are easy going. So there should be something
for everybody
on here. So the first track is by a guy I don't know too much about, but I listened to this and I thought, yeah, he's got something all right. It's a bluesy number. The guy's name's Paolo Mendonca, and the track's called You Gotta Believe.
So he's Swedish.
I believe so, yeah.
And his father's Portuguese.
Yeah.
Well, I think
Well,
so.
I should imagine so with a name like Mendonca.
I know.
Don't think that's a Swedish name.
But it was a good track.
Yeah,
I did like the way I said track.
I did.
No,
Yeah.
I'm getting into this now.
You are. Yeah. You're getting there, Patsy. You know.
I know, yeah.
Yeah, you're getting more cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll take these sunglasses off tomorrow.
Yeah, well, when we extract that Terry Wogan audio, we'll have you weighed in. So you like that?
I did, yes. It was a good start.
Yeah, well, like I say, I ran through a few, and that one grabbed me, so I put it on the list. Right.
What's track 2?
Track 2.
Yeah.
Well, this is a guy with a. I think Dosey's going to like this. It's a fella called Kenny Wayne Shepherd. Another bluesy type number.
Right.
He can play a bit, and the track's called True Lies.
Now where do you go after midnight, when all the doors should be closed? Your alibis just don't sound right, and I ask but nobody knows. Then you look me in the eye and make it sound so very nice with your Hey, someone's been sleeping in my bed, 'cause this room don't smell like you and me. And someone's been sneaking out the window. Do you think I'm too blind to see? When you look me in the eye and make it sound so very nice with your It was a clever disguise, but girl, I'm getting wise to your true lies. Well, you've been doing this so long now, thinking it's the truth. I guess it don't seem wrong if it ain't being done to you. You've got a lot to learn, baby. You can't keep it down. When the word gets in the wind, then it's bound to blow back around. Girl, can you give me a reason? I bet you don't even know why. 'Cause I can't figure out what you're thinking, or what it is you're trying to justify. Hey, when you look me in the eye and make it sound so very nice with your true lies. It was a clever disguise, but girl, I'm getting wise.
Well, that was pretty hot stuff, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, that's Kenny Wayne Shepherd. I liked it. I probably liked it because it's in the same vein as Bonamassa,
I know, yeah.
who is the king as far as I'm concerned, as you all well know. But it was good enough. I liked it, as I always say. The bass line in it is very catchy.
It is, yeah.
If you listen to it a few times, it
sticks in your
it
head.
would stick in your head, yeah. So I thought it was good enough to put on the list, and
Well, Mel Gibson would be after you if you didn't.
yeah, he would.
He's
He,
his father-in-law.
that's right. Yeah. Yeah, Google's a wonderful thing.
I know.
Yeah.
I don't know who she is, but she's nice.
God knows, as he had many wives. Most of them have more than an Arab, don't they? You know.
Yeah.
Anyway, well, if that's the case, yeah, well, maybe he pushed him along. But he's a talented man.
That's true.
So we'll move on to track 3, and this is an old classic, and The Who.
The Who?
Yeah, The Who.
Who?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Who?
Oh,
Who
definitely.
are they?
Oh, there's only one, The Who. And, sure, it's just a classic song that I've always liked. We Won't Get Fooled Again.
No, that's me.
But, of course, we all did.
I know.